Have you ever wondered how American farmers farm pork? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you savor that juicy pork chop or crispy bacon strip. American pork farming is a significant part of the country's agricultural industry, contributing to the nation's economy and securing food supply. It's an intricate process, one that's been refined over generations, resulting in some of the finest pork products in the world. Diving deeper into the subject, we find that there are several breeds of pigs commonly used in American pork farming. Each breed brings its unique characteristics to the table, influencing the taste, texture, and quality of the pork produced. From the lean and prolific Yorkshire to the hardy Duroc, known for its marbled, flavorful meat, these breeds form the backbone of the industry. Curious? Well, let's delve into the captivating world of American pork farming. Stick around as we take you on a journey from farm to fork, exploring the intricacies of this fascinating industry. The first step in pork farming is, of course, pig breeding. This isn't just about letting pigs do what comes naturally, though. It's a careful, scientific process that involves understanding the pig's needs and behaviors, as well as the importance of genetics. To start, let's talk about the ideal conditions for breeding. Pigs, like any other animals, need a safe and comfortable environment to breed. Clean, well-ventilated housing, plenty of food and water, and a stress-free environment are all crucial. Temperature also plays a significant role, as pigs prefer a moderate climate. Too hot or too cold can affect their fertility and overall health. Now on to the gestation period of pigs. This is the period from conception to birth, and it lasts about 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, a peculiarly precise timeline, isn't it? During this time, the sows, that's the female pigs, require special care and attention. They need a nutritious diet to support their growing piglets and plenty of rest to ensure a healthy delivery. Genetics is another key factor in pig breeding. Farmers are not just breeding pigs, they are breeding for quality. They carefully select boars and sows with desirable traits such as lean meat and good health to produce the best pork possible. This genetic selection also helps to improve the overall health and productivity of the pig herd over time. But pig breeding isn't just about producing more pigs. It's about ensuring the welfare of the animals and the quality of the pork we put on our tables. It's a careful balance of science, care, and dedication. Breeding is an essential first step, but what comes next is equally important. It's time to talk about pig rearing. Once the piglets are born, the next phase of their journey begins: rearing. This is a critical stage in the life of a pig, where they transition from tiny piglets to fully grown hogs, and it's a process that requires careful management and attention to detail. The diet of the piglets plays a key role in their growth. They are typically fed a balanced mixture of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, which are essential for their development. It's fascinating how the diet changes as they grow, with the protein content gradually reducing while the carbohydrate content increases. In terms of housing, pigs are known for their intelligence, and they require an environment that caters to their natural behaviors. This includes providing them with plenty of space to roam and explore, as well as access to straw for nesting and rooting. It's all about creating a comfortable and stimulating environment that promotes their well-being. Vaccinations are another important aspect of pig rearing. They help protect the pigs from a wide range of diseases, ensuring they stay healthy throughout their growth period. And let's not forget about cleanliness. Maintaining a clean environment is crucial to prevent the spread of diseases and to provide a healthy living space for the pigs. Rearing is a meticulous process that ensures the pigs grow healthy and strong. Now, let's move on to the final phase: processing. After months of careful rearing, it's time for the final phase: processing. This is where the journey from farm to fork truly begins. It starts with the humane slaughter of the pigs, ensuring minimal stress and discomfort. This is not just an ethical obligation, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality of pork. Following the humane slaughter, the carcass is then swiftly moved to the scalding tank, where it's cleaned thoroughly. This step is vital to ensure that the pork is free from any dirt or impurities. After the carcass is cleaned, it's time for the breakdown. This is where the carcass is separated into primal cuts like the shoulder, loin, belly, and ham. Each cut has its unique characteristics, flavor, and culinary uses. The primal cuts are then further broken down into retail cuts, which are the familiar pork products you see in your local grocery store. Think pork chops, bacon, and ham. The precision and skill involved in this process is truly a sight to behold. Every cut is expertly made to ensure minimal waste and maximum yield. Next, the pork is packaged and labeled. This stage involves strict quality control checks to ensure that only the best pork makes it to the market. The packaging process is designed to keep the pork fresh and safe to eat, with clear labeling to provide consumers with all the information they need about the product, such as its cut, weight, and best before date. Finally, the packaged pork is ready for distribution. It's sent to grocery stores, restaurants, and butcher shops across the country, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. Processing ensures that the pork is safe to eat and ready to be enjoyed by consumers. But what does this all mean for you? Well, the next time you savor a juicy pork chop or a crispy strip of bacon, you'll know the careful process it went through to get from the farm to your fork. Now, isn't that a delicious thought to chew on? So, why does understanding American pork farming matter to you? Well, the answer is quite simple. It's about knowing where your food comes from, and the journey it takes from the farm to your plate. This journey begins with pig breeding, a meticulous process that ensures the health and quality of the pigs. Then we move on to pig rearing, where the animals are given ample space to roam, a balanced diet, and proper medical care to ensure their well-being. Then comes the crucial phase of pork processing. It's not just about butchering, it's about respecting the animal and making sure every part is used. It's a complex process that requires skill, knowledge, and a deep understanding of food safety regulations. Understanding this journey gives us a newfound appreciation for our food. It's not just about the final product, it's about respecting the process and the people who make it possible. It's about appreciating the hard work and care that goes into each step. And let's not forget the farmers. They are the heart and soul of this process, dedicating their lives to provide us with quality pork. They work tirelessly, come rain or shine, ensuring the well-being of their pigs and ultimately the quality of our food. Remember, every bite of pork you enjoy comes from a long, careful process. So next time you savor a pork dish, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work that made it possible.